How to show the number of posts, comments, and views on the BuddyPress profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to show the number of posts, comments, and views on the BuddyPress profile page. By default, both WordPress and Youzify do not offer this feature. But you can have it with only a few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the search bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, and then Header Settings. Scroll down until finding the Statistics box and enable them. Next step, select the kind of statistics you want to show on Header Statistics settings. Select Posts, Comments, and Views. And then save the settings. Let's see the result. Now the statistics will show on the BuddyPress profile header. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.